Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, here I am again with the update about the hiring. So guys, in this video I will be talking about the TCS BPS hiring. So yes, you heard that correct. TCS is hiring for the BPS role for the batch 2021-2022 students. Okay, so if you are from arts background, commerce background, and even science background, so you can apply for this TCS BPS hiring. Okay, so make sure that to watch this till the end because we will be discussing how you will have to apply for this hiring, as well as what are the eligibility for applying to this hiring, what are the test format for this particular hiring, when is the last date for submission. So all these things I will be discussing in this video, so make sure that you watch this video till the end. And guys, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it, because lately I am making lot of videos regarding the general issues like, see, onboarding have been delayed, so what are the causes behind the onboarding delays and what should you do for the when if you face such issues. So I am making videos regarding it, as well as I am making the videos for different companies wherein I am discussing interview experiences. I am discussing the coding questions which are getting asked in them, the coding questions which are getting asked. All these type of videos I am making on this channel. So please make sure that if you have not subscribed the channel till now, please subscribe it, because more such updates of the hirings I will be giving on this channel. Okay, so now let's start this video, and before starting the video, please hit the like button. Okay, so guys, as I've told you that TCS is hiring for the BPS role for the batch 2021 and 2022. If you are from arts, commerce, science, any stream, you are eligible for this particular hiring. Okay, registration status, it is currently open, so please apply as soon as possible. Test dates will be announced very soon. The interview dates will be announced after the test dates, after the test results. Okay, so I hope now till here it is clear to you. Now guys, here it is. There is the application process for how you will have to apply for this hiring. First of all, only those who have been passed out of the years 2021 and 2022 are only eligible for this hiring. No other batch is eligible, only these two batches are eligible. Okay, so here is the application process that is given to you. First of all, you will have to log on to TCS Next Step portal. The link is given here. Then you will have to register on that portal and then apply for the TCS BPS hiring process. Okay, so if you have earlier applied, that is if you have applied before also in TCS, then you must have got CTDT number for yourself. So in that case, you do not have to register again. You will just have to click here and complete or update your existing application only. Okay, and if you are a new user, then first of all you will have to make your account on TCS Next Step portal, and then you will have to go ahead and fill the form for the BPS hiring. Okay, so there are certain conditions that are given here, so kindly read before applying. Okay, because a lot of you will make mistakes. Okay, so here you can see that multiple entries from a single candidate will lead to disqualification. It is for every hiring, so whenever you are applying, only apply for single ID or for single person. Okay, so I hope now uh, this particular thing is clear to you. Next thing is that once you have applied, please ensure your application status is in Next Step portal has moved from registered status to application received. Okay, so these two things have to be a very valid point, and you will have to take a note. This is, first of all, only apply for single IDs, and next thing is to check the status of your application. It should be application received. Okay, so I hope now these things are clear to you. Next thing is that what are the test eligibility, what are the test patterns. Now let's just discuss on them. Okay, so first of all, the eligibility, what are the eligibility? So highest qualification candidates should have completed the course in the stipulated course duration, no extended education. Okay, so it means like you have 2 years of a course, then you must have completed that course in 2 years only, or 3 years only, or 4 years only. Okay, next thing is backlog areas, ATKT. Okay, so you must not have active backlogs at the time of appearing for the test. So once the test dates are announced, at that time when you're writing the test, there must not be any active backlogs that for you. Okay, I hope this thing is also clear to you. Next is gap in the education. So maximum of 2 years of gap is allowed until the highest qualification. That is, if you are doing BCom, so only 2 years of gap is allowed till your highest education. I hope these things are clear to you. Next thing is course type. So all these courses are eligible for this particular hiring. Next is work experience. Candidate with a prior work experience up to 3 months are eligible to apply for the TCS BPS hiring process. Okay, so if you have no experience, if you are a fresher, or you have a experience of at most 3 years, okay, So then you can apply for this particular hiring. Next is age. Again, it is your age must be in between 18 to 28 years. Okay. Next are the what are the courses that are eligible for this particular hiring. So there are full list of courses that are eligible for this hiring. So kindly go through this list and please see if your course is eligible or not. And if it is eligible, the links are in the description box. Make sure to apply today only, because you never know when this application will get closed and when you will start getting the test mails. Okay, so I hope now this test eligibility is clear to you. Now moving to the next part is test pattern. So test pattern is very simple. It will be a 65-minute test. Okay, there will be total three sections. One is numerical ability, next is verbal ability, next is reasoning ability. So these three things you must know, you must have knowledge of, and 26, 24 and 30 respective questions will be asked from each of these sections, and total number of questions will be 80, and total duration of the duration of test will be 65 minutes. So in 65 minutes you will have to solve 80 questions. Okay, so be prepared for it. Please apply as soon as possible. Do not wait for any other communication or any other thing. Just go to the links that are given in the description box, follow the process for applying and just apply it. It is a very wonderful opportunity for the students which are belonging to arts, commerce and science streams. So go ahead and apply for this particular hiring. And guys, I will continue to make these videos for which of the companies are hiring, what are the hirings going on. So please, again I'm saying you that please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you can get to know the communication of the hirings that are going on. Okay, so thank you for watching this, and do share this video among your friends also so that they can also apply. Thank you for watching this video.